Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to reactivate your deactivated account on Uber, then this video is for you. If you recently deactivated your Uber account less than 30 days, then you may able to reactivate your Uber account, but there is no in application or in function facilities that can help you to reactivate your account. You can use your credentials, but it will show you that your account is not available, or your account is disabled, or your account is currently deactivated. So for that, you can simply go to the Uber's official website, the uber.com, and you can find in the footer menu the visit help center, where you can simply click on visit help center, and there you can find the inquiries about what type of account you want to reactivate. If it's riders or driving and delivering, any of them, just like this, so you can simply click on it. So I'm going to simply click on riders here, so riders account. Now help me with here is the account inquiry, so simply click on account, and from here you can find the search icon. Here simply click on search icon and simply click on type reactivate, and it's enough for activate. It's enough. Now simply hit enter, and you can find that I want to reactivate my account. You can simply click on it, and from here you can find that where it is. Now from here it's showing that I have to log in to get the full access of the help support. So you have to log into your account, and you can find instruction about you want to how you can actually reactivate your account. So if you can find it comfortable or find it enough, so you can find a live chat option that you can use to chat with the over representative, that you can talk about that what you want. You want to reactivate your account, then you can give the details about yourself, your address, your account information. Now in the description box you can describe why you have deactivated your account, when you have been deactivated your account, and what your account username. Don't provide any password or anything. You can easily enter your username and how much you have used Uber, how much spending you have just on Uber, and how long you have just used it. You can add all of the details, and at the last you can say that you want to reactivate your account. Then a representative will get connected to you as soon as possible, and they can help you in this situation. So that's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.